Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that we just had the largest Bitcoin transaction. What do I mean? I'm going to tell you in a second. Then we have MicroStrategy books impairment charges of 197 million on Q4 Bitcoin holdings. And Cathie Wood highlights that you will be able to cross border and reclaim your wealth with Bitcoin and crypto. So guys, all this in today's video. So, and if you would like to stay up to date, very important, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting a couple of videos, short videos, long videos, so I keep you up to date if you're interested in Bitcoin, in crypto, in blockchain. So in these topics, simply subscribe button, that's the only thing you have to do and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and this is important for you because that's a feedback for me. Okay, and now let's have a look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually 1% down now in the last 24 hours. Ethereum pretty much the same, 1.3 down. That makes Ethereum 1,650. Why Bitcoin 23,540 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, then actually we have Ethereum proof of work going up almost 11%. Terra Classic, are you kidding me? Anyway, so 10% up. Doesn't make sense at all. And which one is the third one? Ethereum Classic. There you go. I mean, strange day, to be honest with you. Okay, among the losers, DYDX going down about 7%, up to 6.3, and the Lido DAO, maybe the third one, with 3.6. And when we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that Bitcoin started to continue its sideways movement. We had this breakout a little bit up to 24,200-ish. Which we had on the 2nd of February, so yesterday. And then we came down and we started to go a little bit sideways. As you can see, we formed here a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern in a way. Also, when we're looking at the volume is decreasing as well. So it can easily happen. Then sooner or later, we might go higher, but we might, see a correction coming. Or if we break this 25,000-ish level, break above it, which is the 200 moving average on the weekly, which is an important level, then of course we can continue. But it depends how much volume and all these other things we have. So it was to keep an eye on it. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic, that basically we had the largest Bitcoin transaction in history, but I think it's not that what you think right now. So let's clarify it. So here we go. Let me share the screen. And here you can see this article, which is all about that we had, look here, the largest block and largest transaction in Bitcoin's history. And this is actually an NFT. Yeah, you heard it well, NFT on the Bitcoin blockchain. Here we go, you can see it. And so on the 2nd of February, independent developer Udi Wertheimer tweeted that he had conducted the largest transaction in Bitcoin's history after using the Ordinals protocol, that's a kind of new one, to inscribe a 3.64 megabyte image of a sunglass-wearing, bald, bearded wizard loading magic internet JPEGs. Look at this. And a typical Bitcoin transaction usually costs a few cents or a few dollars, but an Ordinals can cost tens of dollars in comparison. And this started a debate, definitely. So what is Bitcoin for? You have, for example, the Bitcoin Maxis. They say just Bitcoin, and it's a peer-to-peer cash system. But now you have here others as well. And interestingly, there is this Taproot update, and things made it possible that now you can actually have NFTs on the Bitcoin blockchain, which is interesting, and it's opening to a totally new field. And of course, there are arguments now that these NFTs take away the block space and makes transaction more expensive. But here we go. You can see that so far, inscriptions have included content such as images, documents, including PDF files of Bitcoin white paper, and even a fully playable clone of the video game Doom. And that's all on the Bitcoin blockchain, which is also interesting that to keep your NFT on the Bitcoin blockchain, it's safer than Ethereum, because when you keep your NFT on the Ethereum, the metadata is actually not on the blockchain. That would be actually, kind of expensive in a way. I'm not saying that it's not expensive on Bitcoin, but it's not happening there. However, on Bitcoin, you actually have it on the blockchain, so that makes us, a difference. So you can put it down in the comment section what you think about it. Is this kind of new way Bitcoin is going, or it's terrible and Bitcoin should stay as it is? There are so many ideas about it. There's a debate going on, and it's interesting that this happened. At 4 megabyte place taken by a single NFT. Okay. Anyway, next topic. Next topic is all about that MicroStrategy books impairment charge of $197 million on Q4 Bitcoin holdings. So was Michael Saylor a bit sad what happened in Q4 with their Bitcoin holdings? I mean, MicroStrategy Bitcoin holding. Well, he's definitely a Bitcoin bull, and what just happened now in the first month of 2023 was definitely a compensation. But anyway, the article goes that MicroStrategy books impairment charge of $197.6 million on Q4 Bitcoin holdings. So the business software company reported its fourth quarter result on Thursday afternoon, so actually just yesterday. And the price of Bitcoin began the fourth quarter roughly around 19,100 and ended the quarter and also the year at 16,500. So late in the quarter, MicroStrategy made some previously reported modest net purchases of Bitcoin, bringing its holding to 132,500 Bitcoin. At the total, the value of the tokens were worth about $1.84 billion at the end of the year. So the value has risen considerably thus far in 2023, as Bitcoin has jumped almost 50% up to a bit over than 24,000. Alongside that big gain for the crypto, MicroStrategy share, which fell 35% in 2022, have doubled so far this year. So you can see that they understand that they have a volatile asset, which is Bitcoin, and it has its ups and downs, but it recovers pretty fast. So just really looking at the short period of time, one quarter, it's not the healthy way to do it if you're holding Bitcoin. You should look at the big picture, and when you're looking at the big picture, then probably they will do good. Anyway, what you think about it, you can put it in the comment section as well. Okay, and now let's move on to the last topic. It's all about that Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest, highlights that you will be able to cross border and reclaim your wealth with crypto. So what is Bitcoin giving to you? What kind of freedom? And there's a highlight from Cathie Wood, what she said in an interview, that actually, you have to understand that you will be able to cross a border and reclaim your wealth. So the investor, long time bull for crypto industry, stands by her 1 million Bitcoin price target, believing the asset present opportunities for wealth preservation to the rich and poor. So it goes to the rich and poor. It's for everybody. So there's hyperinflation, what she's saying, hyperinflation all over the world as their currencies have fallen apart, said Wood in an interview with Yahoo Finance on Thursday. those populations need a fallback and insurance policy like Bitcoin. She brings it as an example. Though cryptocurrency users often store the key to their coins using wallet hardware, their wallets are technically recoverable from anywhere if they can remember their unique seed phrase, usually 12 or 24 words. So just keep that key in your head, and at some point you will be able to cross border and reclaim your wealth wherever you are in the world. And this is actually very important, because just think about it. If you keep your money in a bank and you would like to make a large transaction, A, it's not that fast. B, you might facing difficulties with the cross-border transaction. If it's that much, you have to prove a lot of things. With Bitcoin, nobody's asking you. It's a decentralized system. So basically, you decide you would like to move your funds from one address to another. Doesn't matter who that address belongs to. And you can do it. And it's there in minutes on the other side of the globe. And, also, if you go into some countries, just like you have El Salvador, maybe not there, but for example, Switzerland, Lugano, the city where you can actually easily buy things with crypto. You can go to Dubai. So you can go to wealthy countries, and actually with Bitcoin, you can live there, and you can basically just move borders, just remembering your seed phrase. And if you don't even carry your hardware wallet with you, you buy one over there, and then you get your Bitcoin just with the seed phrase, and then you can use it. There we go. So that's simple. And it gives huge freedom, to be honest with you. But that's what I think. Let me know what you think about it. So anyway, these were the news for today. On the weekend, you will receive short videos from me. And on Monday, I'm coming back with these longer videos and shorts as well. So a couple of videos every day here on Blockchain Bloom. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you would like to stay up to date, because that's my job. I want to keep you up to date, because it doesn't matter if it's a bear market, a bull market, there are things happening, there are news, there are development, and you can make money either way. But you have to learn. This is key, and it's all your responsibility, whatever you're doing. But for that, you need knowledge that you'll be able to make rational decisions, good decisions. So you need the strategy as well. But for the news, here you have Blockchain Bloom. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.